Hello, good day. This is our geography project on plate tectonics. This shows the formation of Mount Soufriere volcano in Montserrat. This is caused by the movement of tectonic plates. This topic is known as plate tectonics.
Our group members are Daniella Kallicharan, Ruqayyah Scott, Maakayla Beharrylal, and Akesh Heera.
This shows a convergent plate margin. As you can see, the continental plate margin is moving towards the oceanic plate margin, forming fold mountains and a volcano.
Fold mountains. This acidic lava dome shows lava and other volcanic deposits flowing down the side, forming new layers. Mount Soufriere, being a very active volcano, causes changes in the volcano's appearance.
And this was our project on plate tectonics.